Hello everyone, I'm Arth Ramirez, and today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of Python and computer programming. Programming at its core, it's the art of instructing computers to perform tasks like communicating with a super fast and highly obedient digital assistant. Now, why choose Python? Here's, here's why. Programming empowers us to solve problems and automate tasks. Python, known as its readability and simplicity. It's an excellent language for a beginners. It's like a friendly guide into the vast realm of coding of vast realm of coding language. Now, why you choose Python? Python it's not just a language, it's a community, it's versatile, makes it an ideal choice from web development to artificial intelligence as we learn Python. We're not just mastering a language, we're unlocking a world of possibilities. Now, let's get started. To kick things off, open your Python environment. I recommend your preferred IDE. It's for user-friendly interface and robust features. Now, first Python program. Let's dive into coding, and our inaugural program is Elegant Simply. Now let's get started with a simple line. Print, print. Hello world. Now, this line introduces the print function, this one, which displays information on the screen, hello world. This one. It's a tradition, a friendly handshake between you and the programming world. Now let's try to run the program. And let's see there's no. Yes, it worked. Now, now, how about understanding variables? Now let's discuss variables in Python. They act like a labeled containers storing different types of information. Now, let's observe. I will make a simple line again, like let's say welcome, welcome to Python. Print message. Now here, we will create a variable named message and assign it the text in the text. Welcome to Python. This one. Variables allow us to store and reuse information, making our programs more dynamic. Now let's try to run the program and we get the result. Yeah. Now, oh, wait. Now, programming isn't a one-way street, so let's make our program more interactive. And add my now let's put name equals input. Let's just say Russell. Now do this. Now, yes. Hey, oh no, 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 no. Yes. Yeah. Let's try to run the program and see this one. This is the output. In this net, the input function lets the user type something and we store in it variable named name. We then use that information to create a personalized greetings. It's sneak peek into the real application of Python. Now, as we read the chapter 1, we've uncovered the essence of programming, justified our choices of Python, written our inaugural program, explored the power of variables, and engaged in user interaction. Remember, coding is a journey, not a destination. So keep coding, keep exploring, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for listening. This is Arth Ramirez, and this is Chapter 1 Introduction in Programming World. Thank you.